Okra or Okra, Abelmoschus esculentus, known in many English-speaking countries as lady's fingers or okra, is a flowering plant in the mallow family. It has edible green seed pods. The geographical origin of okra is disputed, with supporters of West African, Ethiopian, Southeast Asian, and South Asian origins. Okra, is also known as gumbo or lady's fingers, is a warm season vegetable. It is a good source of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, National Nutrient Database, 1 cup of raw okra, weighing 100 grams contains 33 calories, 1.9 grams of protein, 0.2 grams of fat, 7.5 grams of carbohydrates, 3.2 grams of fiber, 1.5 grams of sugar, 31.3 milligrams of vitamin K, 299 milligrams of potassium, 7 milligrams of sodium, 23 milligrams of vitamin C, 0.2 milligrams of thiamine, 57 milligrams of magnesium, 82 milligrams of calcium, 0.215 milligrams of vitamin B6, 60 micrograms of folate, 36 micrograms of vitamin A. Okra also provides some iron, niacin, phosphorus, and copper. Okra is also a source of antioxidants. Okra, its pods, and seeds contain a variety of antioxidant compounds, including phenolic compounds and flavonoid derivatives, such as quercetin. Scientists think that these compounds may help lower the risk of cancer. Scientists also believe that these compounds may have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can reduce a person's chances of developing a range of health conditions, including obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. The mucilage of okra may also help remove toxins from the body. The nutrients in okra may make it useful for preventing several health problems. When buying okra from the market, never break the okra to test its maturity. However, observe these features. A stem without holes indicates the okra is young. A hollow stalk indicates old okra.